Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun dun. Something is delicious! Dun dun! Dun dun!
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
How much would you like to pay for this package?
What do you have to offer?
2021 Mercedes and some
You have to accept too.
Yes. What do you have to offer?
Unsweet tea.
Oh, what anything?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I like this.
This ring.
2017 Martha.
Ooh, accept.
Add it.
Oh, this ring.
Ooh.
I wonder what's gonna be up for trade today. A watermelon poppet? No way! How about this ice cream poppet for your watermelon? Accept, yay! Alright, what else do you have for trade today? A banana fidget? Let me see what I have to trade. What about these 3 fidget balls? Add? Are you kidding me? Okay, and I'll add these 3 fruit fidget pops. Is that a deal? Decline! Scout, what can I do for the banana? I really want it. Everybody has to like and follow? Are you kidding me? Nobody's gonna do that. I just wanted the banana fidget. Alright guys, please like and follow so I can get this real life banana fidget.
I like pop it, 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 pop it.
I bet I could pop all of this before you could like, follow, and share. Starting in 3, 2, wait, move a little bit more this way. Keep going. A little bit more. Wait, that's good. 3, 2, 1. Who won?
I love my fidget, especially this one. It's really nice. Oh, can I trade with you? Oh, sure. But can I see your fidgets first? Yeah, totally. Okay. Wow, you have a lot. Yes, definitely, I will trade with you. Okay, what do you want to offer for? Could I offer for that Among Us dimple? It is really cool and it's my dream fidget. I'll offer this fidget spinner and this mini poppet. You know what, I'll add a zippy bracelet too because I really want it. Wow, that's a really good deal. Yes, accept. That was such a good trade, guys. Okay, now I want to offer for something. Can I offer for that red octopus popper? Oh, and that mini pineapple poppet. Sure, what do you want to offer? I'll give you this poppet for both of them, but throw in a bracelet too. Deal, and I'll give you this bracelet. OMG, thank you. I'm rich.
like it, cut G.
I love this fidget. Whoa, where am I? Welcome to Fidget Island. Huh? That's really weird. Well, maybe I should explore. Let's go. There's not much here. Wait, what's this? Magic fidget board? That is so cool. Let's read the directions. Place a fidget on the old fidget square. Then a new fidget will appear. Oh, here's the squares. So I could put any fidget here and get a new one here? That's so cool. I should try it. Wait, what's this? You could get any fidget no matter what fidget you put down. Oh, that's true. So if I put a really bad fidget, I could end up getting a really, really good fidget. But at the same time, if I put a really good fidget, I could get a really bad one. I guess I'm willing to take the chance. Let's put this one down. Okay, it should work. Whoa, it's gone. Like for part 2.
Oh my gosh, guys, all my fidgets ran away.
So that's why we're going fidget hunting. We need a hunting bin and a hunting hat. Let's try to find them. So I'm looking around my room, and on my lamp, I find a sneaky monkey noodle. First one is captured. So while I'm wanting to walk out of my room, I find a tangle on my door handle. You go in the bin. Let's check in the bathroom. Mochi? You know what? I'll let you be. Who's in the shower? Poppet? Poppet, you can't take showers. You don't have arms. Nito, I don't think you're supposed to be in the kennel. Guys, I'm in the dining room and I think the mochis are trying to eat the strawberries. Let's check in the fridge. Wacky track? That's it.
Dun dun. 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 Something is delicious! Dun dun! Dun dun! Simple dimple. Pop eat.
Part 2 trading. Here, I guess. Thanks. And here's your infinity cube, Karen.
What did you just call me?
Karen, isn't that your name?
That is not my name. It's Tiffany.
Okay, Karen.
I'm calling the authorities. I gave you all of my fidgets just for this, and you're so mad about it.
What do you mean I'm mad about it? It was your decision, first of all. You kept on telling me to add. Not all your fidgets. And no givebacks. What is wrong with people these days? Ugh. Well, too bad. I'm calling the authorities right now. Okay, we gotta hurry and set this up before they come. Soft fidgets, hard fidgets. All mochis, all stress balls. And let me get the rest in here.
They're not answering.
Too bad. Bye. And thank you guys so much for 50K. I love you guys so much. And I won't scam in the next video. Bye.